Hey guys, this is how to fix Eufy Security app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. And now, first thing that you will do is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom. And after that, just simply search for the application, guys. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on it. And guys, when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And another thing is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, if it still doesn't work, just simply go back to the home page and go for the settings into your device and go for the apps, guys. And now from here, just simply go find the application, which is the Eufy Security, and just simply tap on it. And now from here, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom, and you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, the third solution is just simply hold on the application. And after that, just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device, and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues, guys, with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. See ya.